Oh, Ethiopian food is so good.
A lot of people, they don't know about Ethiopian food and the culture. It's a warm culture and then very beautiful food. So I felt like I have to introduce it to the nation. My mom, she used to cook for the family. We're 12 siblings in the house, so we always have a big dish, to cook for the family. Cardamom, the chili pepper, all the spices, what I use for cooking, I got it from back home. We have spicy lentil, cabbage, collard green, green lentil, split pea. And then we got a chicken here. And then we have the okra, the grilled beef, and salad. We have the staple bread, injera. It's made of teff, T-E-F-F. It's a tiny seed. It's gluten-free, loaded with iron and calcium. And we have to steam it and make it bubble. The more spongy, the better it is. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
You're my guest. You come to my house, the first thing I do is I feed you in my right hand.
What a beautiful tradition.
It is. Don't tell me it's big.
No, I won't. Look at me, it's gonna be okay. Eat with your right, because your left hand is for other business.
Yummy. Chicken and egg goes together.
Which comes first?
The chicken comes.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. This is my favorite shoot we have been on, because I just get to sit here and eat. So ultimately, how spicy would you say your cuisine is? It's not really spicy.
It's not really spicy.
It's flavorful.
Yep. Full of spice, but it doesn't burn you. It stays in your mouth, just sit.
Yeah. There's also the coffee.
Yes.
And the coffee is a whole ritual in and of itself.
Yeah. Ethiopia is the originated coffee. And we introduced coffee to the world.
You'll show me how to make it?
So we roast it. I don't go to Starbucks.
How long do you roast it for?
Until it gets golden brown.
You can tell the coffee must be good because people keep gathering around our table as we try to pour the coffee.
Oh, it's good.
That's very nice and refreshing.
Yep.
But I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, a little incense. How does it feel to walk into this restaurant and see people of all different nationalities, of all different backgrounds coming together communally over Ethiopian food and culture?
It makes me proud sometimes. I want to share the love and the food, what I cook.
Yeah.
And I feel like, hey, I did it.